Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Don Ferreira tutorial class. From our last video, we were able to lift this structure and started modeling this. We started designing the first floor. Look at the, let's go to the 3D so I can see what you are saying. This is, we have already lifted it already here. Started modeling, repositioning the rooms on the second floor. So I left with the masters now because of position all the rooms, just the masters and the sit out and the design in the building. So let's first of all continue from the second floor. Remember, this is what we will get this from scratch. We had this from scratch. So the only thing here is that we did not extend this wall. This staircase did not come forward. We left it at the behind the back of this place. Okay, then take it back and we left it the way it is. Okay, and I'm going to take this wall now, leave this wall as a reference wall, take this wall back this way. The staircase will remain here where it is, and then we're going to achieve this. Now remember, this we'll take this back and have something like this. Now we now created a wardrobe here, a wardrobe here, and on the study room we extended it down a bit this way from the floor plan. That was done from the floor plan. We've extended it this way to make it a bit bigger, so to have a bigger laundry. That's why we did that. And now we are still living the way it is that way. So let's say this wall is coming this way, this wall is coming this way. That's what you should be thinking of. This wall is coming this way and toilet is coming this way. They're clocking this way. So this face now, this toilet here is for the room here, and this extension here should come this way, like that, like that. Okay, this region for the anteroom is coming like this. So I'm going to use this for closet all through. So therefore, this wall is coming this way, coming that way. So between here and here, we're going to have opening here for true light. So let's go to the floor plan and see what to do to that. And to do justice to that, first of all, let's pick up this out from here. Pick out this from here. Okay. This for downstairs. Let's remove all of this. Remove all of this. Now I'm going to have okay, this wall is coming down this way, like stated. Therefore, have trim extension to bring these two walls together. So therefore, this wall is equally expanded to somewhere here, leaving the way it is before. Meanwhile, this wall is supposed to be aligned with this. Okay. This wall is going down. This wall is going back, it's going out entirely. So we have a toilet here. I want to have space of 2 meters. I can place window, come to it. Let's see here what is happening here. It's 1.6. Wow. I'm not really achieving what I want to achieve there, but let's see how to do that. Okay, let's keep it somewhere close. I mean, first of all, I want to consider these toilets to be 2 meters. Sorry. I'm going to consider this toilet to be 2 meters. Don't know why the dimension is not highlighted. So let's see what. Okay, okay. You see, it is highlighting all the downstairs as well. That's why it's not highlighting this dimension upstairs. So we need to redo, undo all this command. To undo this command. To undo all this command. Okay. Then let me just delete this wall from the upstairs here to better. Take this way and bring on that wall. Like so. There's a way I can achieve it. First, it's dragging the downstairs wall. So now, if I should highlight this wall, already this one will highlight like this. Make it 2 meter. Okay, let me see if I have to 1.5 here because I have 1.5 window already. Wait, yeah, I 1.5. So let's see the depth it's covering. This is 3 points. It's a really warehouse toilet. So let's see. I want to reduce it. If I should reduce it here, I will have to reduce the down wall as well, the down staircase as well. So what I'll just do quickly, delete this. Therefore, split this from here. Split this from here. Split it from here. Delete it as well. So this is gone. It's an independent wall now. Pick up another wall again to this place. So now let me pick dimension 2. And it's what's here. What dimension do I need here? Let me say 2.5. 2,500 by 2,000. It's okay. For the masters. This is WC for the masters. Bit cool. Let me take it closer this way. It can be here though. Okay. Then this will be here. It can be here though. While the cubicle will be here. Let me do this. Let's swap this. Just rotate it. So I can put it here. Okay, to be closer to the just one bend to the dots. Then I'll put my cubicle here as well, having a channel to these dots. So there'll be a door here. So from here, be working closer all through. Okay. So I'll be working closer all through this way. So therefore, this wall is not necessarily staying here anymore. Okay, there'll be a wall. Splits here and here. Should be an open. Okay, should be an open. So between here to this place now is a working closet for the masters. Between here to this place now is a working closet for the masters. So I place this masters door to the toilet this way. So entering here to the front exits for his rest area. Okay, let's do this quickly. Let's edit this. We can do this equally. Okay, this should be for the veranda. Edit. Let me take it out from here. So I'm going to bring it up again. Take it out from here entirely. Finish. And this is so. Okay, I'm just take it out from here too. It creates for this, we wardrobe here. Okay, and the wardrobe is coming this way too. It's a pure walk-in closet. Okay, it's coming this way. Okay, there. This way. Okay, I think it should go this way too. Then finish. This for the WC, the toilet. This coming this way. This is the floor arrangement, so we're just trying to readjust floor. Okay, we're done with this. Say finish. So we're left with I have the wardrobe here. First of all, let me see this dimension if it's correct. Between here and here, I want it to be up to 650. It's more than. And from here to here, I want it to be 650. It's more than. So I can use the wall to do this door wall. So it's not necessary. It's not necessary the wall. Okay. Take it back a bit. 5 seconds. When this and this to be, can use cabinets to do this. Just want to place wall there. Show the dimension. This will be 650. Okay. I think we're done with this. Let me see this span also if it's up to 650. This 800. Predicts. So I'm going to adjust with it. Let's take a dimension too. Because it's not work. Yeah. Let's say 600, 650. Okay. Now move it here completely. Finish. And the other which adjusts. Okay. This is how to do it. So let's see. We have a floor here. A floor here coming this way, which is this floor. It's supposed to be the wardrobe floor. So let me pick line with respect to that. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please hit subscribe. Follow us for more content like this. Turn up your notification bell. We're giving you different designs. Okay. Share. Go there. Give back a bit. Let's see. Let's see. If it's okay here. Like so. Let's finish it. Now you see, walking closer, how it goes. So there'll be a door here to this You come out, use all of this for yourself. So open in here. There'll be a very big window here. Then you put the window at once. That should be the last window we designed. This. Okay. Window 8. We still have it here too. Okay, we do this. We have achieved the utility area for the masters. So now we have all of these arrangements for the masters. So now, first of all, there's something here we need to come out with. Something here we need to go out with. There's a wall here. This wall is extending this way. But there'll be a beam to attach to this wall, straight to this place. Okay. Let's do this light quickly. It's supposed to be 9 inches wall. Who is it attaching? Okay. Into length, put it down wall. Is the wall. Is the wall. The middle, the wall. Going this way. Let me drop it here first of all. To come into that. Just drop it here. Okay. Picking it up again from here. Go this way and drop here. Then this is what we want to achieve. Then this should be 1.5. Should be 1.5. That's 150, 1,500 millimeter. Yeah. So between here also, we have 1.5, 1,500 millimeter also. Let me do this. 1,500 courtyard balcony for the masters. So let's say what is left for the masters room. Face up to 5 meter. Yeah, we have up to 5.27 meter width. Is very good for the master. Then the height, the depth. We have a 2-face layer for the masters. We're going to have a 2-face layer for the masters. I think this wall should come up to this place. This is in line with this. It's in line with this. Let's see if it's affected. Which of them is current functional in the floor plan. If this and this, which one is working very well in the floor plan? Look at the floor plan and see. This is coming this way all through. It was not an existent door before. Let's see what is happening in the floor plan. This was an existent before. This was an existent before. To this extent, it was an existent before. And this one is an existent before, so they're never together. So let's see. Let's see what is happening here. This one came this way, but it didn't. It stops here. This is the one that's. This is just an extra wall here that came this way. So if that should be the case, we can readjust this master a bit bigger than what it is. So we can have a wall through. So now we have a wall through. Let's see if it's interrupting. Okay, we have adjustment equally here from here. Let's see what we can have between here and here. Let's see if it's up to 4 meter. It's up to 4 meter, 3.7. Okay. We're sure that from here to here is more than that. Let's see. Between this and this. 25 meter, very good. Okay. I need to adjust this. Okay. So let's see the width here is up to 3.65, 3.2. Wow. We'll have to leave it this way. Have to leave it this way. To leave it this way. I need to work with this like that. You have to leave it this way so that we can have a very suitable place for the master here. The master arrangement. Also, for the master, will have a realization point. Okay, so I'll turn this way. This way. Okay. Okay. So that's to turn this to. To turn this to. Looking it this way. This spot now is now for the master's realization area. Kind of mini parlor for him. Mini parlor for him. Mini parlor for him upstairs. We'll put our CCTV here, camera here, our television attached to here, that's over there. But from here, we place his bed. Okay, I think okay with that. Yeah, okay with that. And okay. Okay with that. This windows should be here. This should be here. Now, let me leave this here. There's going to be a realization point too. This is going out entirely. It's probably going out entirely. Okay, I'm going this here. Going here. Turn it. So the masters has a very big space for himself. Okay. Okay, we have this. So we need a bed here. Copy. This way. Let's rotate it. Okay. Putting it. Let's place it here. So this is for the masters. Having a very good space for himself. Okay, and here a little mini parlor for him. Realization. Okay, and has a balcony here. There should be a door here. That says this balcony from here, this corner. This corner, not to see through this corner. Okay. I think we're done with this arrangement. Okay, we're done with this arrangement. Let me pick this up for the masters. Let's place it here for the masters. Let's keep it here for the masters. You can see through and this. Okay, let's place it to this wall. Okay. So this is how to do arrangements. So let's also add this here and that's there. I think we're going to omit this. So to create not much natural play to the texture. Okay. Let's pick window. Let's pick window. Need a bigger window. Okay. This window is good here. To be uniform with this one here. Bigger window. I think this should flush here and here. I use double window here. So let's see what we have here. It's flushing here. This is flushing here. Okay, bring it closer to locking. So that's what I did here at this window. That's what we're doing here as well. So pick off. So achieve this window now to give us the same look we have downstairs. Then, so there we don't have to add this window here anymore. This window is good here. Well, we might decide to use smaller window too. I decided to use smaller window this way now. Can use smaller window all through this way now. Just this alone is good enough. So let's say this window highlighted will be the first window one. Okay. I think I should have one window here too. So this two corner. Okay. The bed corner. The same window one. Use window one for everything here now. Okay. Window one. Still here now. You can still serve here. The one. So at this point, we've achieved the masters and the settings upstairs. So select all of this, all of this, all of this. I'm going to cut this wall off and this wall off. Do adjustment to them. See, let me use splits to split it from here. Split it from here. Leave all here. We're going to have a walk through design here, going through all this way. So let's go back to our 3D view, see what we've got. Like here now. Okay. Let's edit this, edit profile. Pick up a line. Just near the little rising from the ground. This way. And this should be 400 this way. Just splits here and here. So now trim off excesses this way. Okay, let's finish. Remember, I did here to be what? It should be 300 or so. Same thing will happen here too. Edit profile, pick up a line. At this point, okay. Okay, taken here also, at some point. So trim, split first of all, here and here. We're going to have a design here, a wally design here that's going to come all the way. I think we're going to use generic modeling to do that design. And there's so similar design in one of our design we did in. We've done such similar design in one of our tutorial. I'm going to do that again here to go through this way as well. So we've achieved this modeling. So let's bring this close down. So I want to have the height here, be down. Okay, put the height here. So we 500, 500. Height here should be 500, 500. Same here. Same here should be 500. Let's see what is happening here. They are all 500. I think they should be all 500. Yeah, they are all 500. So let's go. Let's continue. Okay. Reaching here. They are all 500. So this, bring it down a bit. Make it 500. So we're done with this. Okay. Let me see. That's over there. I like it this way. 500 down. It's gone down. So that is it. I'm still going to adjust the staircase. We're removing one riser from it to make it 20. So it will now suit whatever we're having here. Okay. This is this. We've gotten this. So we're left with the balcony, this balcony region. Okay, we're left with this balcony. Okay, we'll have design here. We'll have similar thing here too. This time around, it's going to come from down this way all through. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to 3D view or 2D view. Clearly our design is taking time now. Taking time. Okay, let's say trimming extension. Save whenever Revit asks you to. Okay. Okay. Therefore, bring splits to split it off here. Here. And here. Therefore, go back to 3D view. We highlight this. It is similar thing here too. It is similar thing here. Pick up a line. That should be 200 it. Let's say 200. 200 by this place, it should be 400. 400 it. So therefore, split off here and here. Use a trimming to take this part off, like so. Then finish. Okay, this is what I've got, like so. Edit. Like so. So if we follow our page, can learn modeling in our page, how to get it right from the scratch to finish. That is what we'll do designing here. Okay, trim extension. Like so. Okay. Finish. Okay, we're done with this aspect. We're through with it. So follow for more design like this, more concept like this. See the cantilever we created here at the back. It came all the way all through, and this we extended this back on it this way as well. We still have our dot in there. This is now dotting properly. So we're going to create a wall here. Going to create a wall here quickly. That's going to go through this way. One going to go through this way. Another going to go here. For the design will have and so let's go back here. Do this wall in. Okay, still 6 inches wall. We're going to change this name of this wall as well. It's going to come like this. I'm going to change the name of this wall to come this way. We're going to have a design here. We're going to have a design here. Okay, this and that, let's do this here. This way. This way. Therefore, I think it's going this way, so it's attached this way. So we're attaching here. Come like this. Have a design I'm creating here now. In this place, I should have close column here that's going to come this way. Okay, let me use dimension to do this. First, change the materials I wanted to use in question. Between here and here. Between here and here. The width, total width is necessary. So therefore, let me bring this here very close to this place. Let me bring this, I can achieve 1 meter. Okay, I achieved 1 meter. So therefore, let me see. This is supposed to be 700. This is 700. Let's say 700. 700 or 720. 700. 700. Okay. Remove this. Let me take dimension for the depth. It should be 900. Let's say 900. And make it 1 meter this time. Okay. It's 900. Okay, a little bit of 900 there. So this they probably having the same. So if this is let me see, between this place, this wall should be 7. No, between here and here, between here and here, here should be 700. Therefore, our design the projection this way. If this is 700, this is 400. Between this space and this space should be 400. Should be 400. I say 450, bro. 450. 450. Therefore, here is 700. We're getting all of that. So let's use this word. Let me use trim extension here to bring this word together. If they are now one, just a design. I created the depths here, between here and here. Lead it to be 900. 900. Therefore, this should be half of what to have, or more lesser. Let's see. This wall should be 300. Okay. Let's say 350. 350. Okay, I have this now. Okay. Therefore, in this area now we have this wall coming all through this way, coming all through this way. We're gonna have extension, no. Okay, let's see. Again, is back where it is. Little bit slants below the edge level. It needs to be below the edge level. Let me give it dimension away from the edge level. Between here and here, to have 400 spacing. Let me say 500 spacing, 500 spacing. So therefore, in between this wall should be up to 9 inches. Then from here to here should have a height depth. Okay, this here should be having 230. Okay, what do we now have as total depth? It's 690. That is 700. Okay. Okay. We'll do the similar thing to others. Let's see. This should be more than this. Let's have a 2 column here. We're gonna stand here. This should be 900. Should be 900. Should be 900. For width. Have a two columns sitting here comfortably. If this is 700, it should be 900 or 1 meter. Make it 1 meter. Okay, I think we're done with that. Now, if this is projecting with 900 projection, should be projecting with let's say extra 500 or so. 500 plus, okay, let's say 1.5 is okay. 1.5 is okay. 1.5 is okay. Okay, either should be 1.5, which means this should be equally 1.5. Sure. No need. This is 1.5. This is also 1.5. No need. Okay. What is differences here? 600 differences. So much. Let's bring it down to 1,000. We'll bring it up to 1,200, 1,300. So the difference here should be around 450, around 400 should be the difference. Let's see the spacing between the wall. Spacing between the walls should be considered too. Let's make it 300 spacing, which are going to see add up that again. So 300 spacing from the wall. So let's add this up again. Make it 1,500 is okay. Let's do this quickly. I'm dimensioning now, just for design sake. So I'm bringing up this. Now we're going to take the texture of this. I want to change this. I want to change this first of all. I want to have a different design with this. Okay, let me see. Maybe duplicate this wall. Duplicate it. Duplicate. Okay. Okay, I'm not setting the design yet. So I just duplicated the wall to the wall 3. This, and this to the wall 3. Generate 3. To have different dimension. To have different texture. That's my essence of doing that. Same thing here. This, this, this. Okay. This also. Should have different texture also. Should also have different texture. Control Z. Okay. And do duplicates. Okay. Okay. So I declared it before the fourth wall. So therefore, what is happening here? Make this, and this to be another duplicate. I need it very white. So not to be the same wall with others. So we're going to change all of that. Okay. Okay. The reason I'm doing this so that whenever I'm placing a command, then the wall will be telling me it's not the same wall with others. So this wall now and this wall is same thing as this wall down here. So I can just go here and say make the 50 wall. Yeah. Without definition. So I think I'm done with that, all of that. So let's see the height we want it to be. So let's see the height we want it to be. This is what we've got. So let's first of all, let's go to preview. I like this, and this. There is some wall. This, and that. Yeah, with some wall. And go there and say we need it to be negative 1,000 down. 1,000 down. The height is 3 meters. Okay. Okay. I think that's 2 was not the same height. Based on that, let me drop this at 4,200. Give it 4,200. Dropping at 4,200, so I can highlight only this, and this. Make it 7,200. Making it up 7,200. Okay. It's going very high. Then this also is equal. It's a different wall on its own. This wall, it's a different design. It's going up. Let's say it's going to 7,000. Okay, let's bring it down first of all, minus 1,000. 1,000. Here is going up to, let's say, 7,000, 8,000. 8,500. You can say add it later. We'll finish our design later again. Okay, it's going very high. This is that different dimension. Follow our designs. You notice what we're trying to achieve with these walls we are creating this way. Okay, we have this to go down first of all with negative 1 meter. And therefore, the height here should be up to 4,000, 5,000. Let's say 5,000 and see what you've gotten. So put this wall is up, it has my negative down. That's negative, okay? So let's see what we've done in 3D view. Yeah, this is what we want to achieve. This is what we want to achieve. So follow our design, keep bringing to you model designs and how to achieve different designs on Revit. Okay, so look for more concepts like this. Leave comments and share our posts. Thank you.